So this is how you can see the forms filled in your Google Forms. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Google Forms. Today you will learn how to see forms filled. So just simply go ahead and open up another tab and then search for docs.google.com/forms. Once again, docs.google.com/forms. So when you enter, you will be seen in this screen. This website is basically where you can manage all of your forms. You can add a new form, you can make a new form, and you can even see your recent forms. So just go ahead and tap on the form that you want to see the filled responses in. So yeah, just go ahead and open that up. And then as you can see, there is a responses button. Once you open that, you will see how many people have responded to your form or how many people have filled in your form. So you can even go ahead and check out the statistics. You can check who and how many people voted for one thing over the other. And based on your questions, you can even see maybe like a pattern within their answers. So, yeah, that is how you can go ahead and check out the forms filled. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.